If you are looking for a short answer, then yes, this is a great class to take. But stay a while if you want to know why you should take this class. Hello and welcome back to a new video. Today I will be talking about Jazza's new class on Skillshare. It is a masterclass on illustration in which he takes you through every step from start to finish. In this video I will be only talking about my experience and will not be giving away any spoilers about the class. So if anyone is interested in taking the class, nothing will be spoiled for them. When I was about to start the class, I was very intimidated as Jazza is a very experienced artist and he has been around for a long while and his work is amazing. But as soon as I started the class, I gradually started to come out of that intimidation as every step made the next step even more easier. And by the time I was putting down the sketch on the canvas, all the guesswork had already been done. And in the sketching process, I already knew what I wanted to draw, how I wanted to draw it, and where each element went. The only step that really concerned me throughout this process was the line art. If you have seen my previous videos, you know that I do not make line art in my art because I cannot control the tremble in my hand while drawing digitally. This may be because I am not in direct contact with the surface I am drawing on, as I am able to control my hand while doing traditional art. So whenever I am doing digital painting on my own, I tend to leave out the line art and heavily rely on my painting skills. But I decided to do the line art in this one as I respect Jazza a lot and I did not want to let him down. I struggled a lot and the line art is quite shaky and uneven, but somehow I managed to complete it. And then it was time to add in colors and details. This class is designed so well that by doing each step of the process, the next step becomes even more easier. And by the time you are putting the sketch on the canvas, you have already thought out everything and the guesswork is over. The way Jazza explained all the steps not only made it easy to understand, but also took away all the intimidation from the more complex parts of the class. And by taking this class, I was able to paint in a complete new style, and I really enjoyed doing it because everything was so streamlined. I did not have to worry about anything. When I'm painting on my own, I never think to put in as much care as I did in this one and haphazardly start to draw whatever comes to mind, which leads to a lot of stress and sometimes results in me completely abandoning the painting. And when the painting was done, I was super happy with the result and I was excited for the next painting. I would highly suggest this class to any skill level as it will allow you to polish your skills and be able to come up with a new art style. On the side note, I am doing this voiceover without a script. That is why this voiceover is very awkward. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe for future content, and I will see you next time. Bye.